The issue that we were facing at Flodraulic Group when we engaged with ESI, kind of twofold. We had just come off of a ransomware attack in 2019. We quickly rebuilt from it, but we were also growing as a company. We realized the need that staying truly physical wasn't going to meet our needs for long-term growth, especially if we had to pivot on the fly. We were introduced to ESI through a data center provider here in Indiana that suggested, talking to ESI, and the PowerStore 500 along with virtualization through VMware was presented to us. So we started road mapping, wire mapping, just building out kind of a framework of it, and then fully implementing it at the start of, I believe it was 2021 when we did all this. I'm Aaron Dieffenderfer. I am the IT manager for Flodraulic Group, and I've been there for about 12 and a half years, and I am in charge of anything technology related for the company. So Flodraulic is a hydraulic and pneumatic parts distribution company based out of Greenfield, Indiana. We are the US and Canada headquarters. Primarily out of our Greenfield office, we deal with the pneumatic side of sales, with SMC being our primary product group. So the PowerStore 500, it gives us the ability to, I would say, be agile. We can quickly create virtual machines, delete virtual machines, and also just expand our server environment when the needs of the company grow. When we selected the PowerStore 500, we opted to go with the 24/7 Pro support on that. Primarily, even though that Flodraulic Group isn't a 24/7 company, the 24/7 support was very beneficial for us because in case something were to happen during business hours, we knew that we were going to get that turnaround 4-hour time frame, and we could have engineering support and have minimal downtime and be up and running maybe same day, possibly the next day. The deployment of the PowerStore 500 was very seamless for us. Everything was very easy to coordinate, and there was constant communication between us and ESI. I think after 2 or 3 visits, everything was racked up, wiring, and even have to give the ESI engineer credit. He did a fascinating and tremendous job of cable management, so everything looked neat on it. Additionally, as the IT manager for Flodraulic Group, the technological relationship with ESI provided the technical expertise that I would need when something did come up or an issue that I wasn't sure how to resolve. And their response time and just overall knowledge on how to resolve it helped us along with the project. So since we've implemented the PowerStore 500, not only does it service the Greenfield office, it services all of our United States companies and our Canadian companies as well. Primarily, it is the host of our ERP system. If our customers are contacting us and they can't find the product, it allows all the other companies to search and find that product for them. If we're down, everybody else is down. So the reliability of the PowerStore 500 is what keeps us running.